Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will tell you how to draw Doraemon. So let's get started. At first I'll start with eyes. For that, let's draw two oval shapes. Now let's draw small circles inside these. For nose, draw a circle in between the eyes. Draw a straight line. Now let's draw the mouth. For that, draw a curve and draw another curve up on both the sides. From here, draw a U shape. Now let's draw the whiskers. Draw 3 lines on both the sides. Now let's draw the tongue. Now let's mark a point on both the eyes and let's draw a circle. Draw it very close to the mouth. Let's draw it slowly. Now, starting here, let's draw another circle. Okay, I'm done with the face. Now, draw a small curve on both the sides. Now let's draw the bell. Now draw a curve from here and connect it to here. Now draw a curve on both the sides. Between these two curves, let's draw another small curve and join them with a curve. Now let's draw the feet. Let's draw a U shape. For pocket, draw U shape and a straight line. Now from here, draw a curve, a straight line and a circle for hands. Repeat the same here. Now I'm drawing the outline one more time. So now let's color the Doraemon. Here I am using blue, yellow, orange and red colors. Okay guys, that's all for today. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.